All right, so continuing on with our 7 Rules of Life series here, we're looking at number 4. Don't compare. Everyone's on a different journey. So, if you want to compare yourself to other people, there are thousands of ways to do that. Athleticism, looks, intelligence, how much money you have, the possessions, all those types of things. There are endless ways to compare yourself to others. Don't do it. Okay? If you focus on single individual things, you will always be able to find somebody out there that's going to have more than you, be better than you, etc. Okay? And all you're going to do is create a bunch of negativity for yourself and make you feel like you're inferior when you're not. What you should do instead is focus on the positive skills and traits that you have and the positive things that are going on in your life, because you do absolutely have some things in your life that are better than that person that you're comparing yourself to. Again, when you focus on just one individual thing, you're going to feel inferior. So, focus on the big picture. Look at what you have going on in your life that's positive. And again, think about the people that are important to you in your life. Think about the good things, the good experiences that you've had. And again, the positive things that you have going into the future. And for goodness sake, do not use social media to compare yourself to others. Remember, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, whatever it is, they are only showing you what they want you to see. In other words, they can pick out the most perfect moments of their life and put them up on social media and make it look like they are perfect or their life is perfect. I guarantee you it probably is not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. So don't compare yourself to what you see on social media either. That's small snippets of what those people want you to see. Okay? So again, don't compare. Focus on the positive things in your life and focus on your future and making it the best you can be, because you do have talents and skills and traits that will make you successful in the future. Focus on those and don't compare yourself to others.